Hello. I've got an unboxing and sort of a review for you. One of my favorite things. I love all this hidden camera spy stuff. I think it's cool. It's changing. But this is, how do I do this here? This says it's from Conbrov, which is actually a fairly popular company on Amazon that does all the hidden camera stuff. But the listing on Amazon said this is from Portocam, Portocam, and it is the NT21 Full HD 1080p spy camera. This does have night vision, actually. Two pieces, 940 LEDs only, 4 or 5 meters distance. 940 LEDs? Yeah, I don't think there's 940 LEDs in this pen, but that would be interesting if there was. Setting parameters via camera file. You set that on the card, apparently. I was reading a little bit about it. I haven't done anything with this yet. I haven't tested it or nothing. But on Amazon, it is the hidden camera pen Portocam NT21 Full HD 1080p spy camera pen with night vision, mini portable video recorder, max 3 hours recording. That is the listing name, and it's $68.99, I believe, and prime shipping, of course. So but as you can see here, actually really nice packaging box there. Here's the pen, standard stuff, sort of, I guess, if you want to call it standard. But let's see, VIP card, user manual, children guide, I don't know, warranty, I don't know, donation to UNICEF, a little valued customer card. This looks like a SIM, little SIM removal tool, but it's not. We got a micro USB cable, obviously for charging, transferring. And here's the pen itself. And I don't know what the little ribbon is, but whatever. There's the camera. You can see it right there. Yep, there it is. The camera's right there, and I don't know what that is, a little mark. Not even sure how to use this thing, but to get the actual pen tip out, you just twist the very tip, and as you can see, yes, it does write like a real pen. It's fairly big for a pen, but I guess it's kind of to be expected. But let's see, let's pull this out. Okay, it was a little, it just went in there. I guess it activates it. Does this come apart anyway? No? Okay, how about this? Let's look at the guide. Like I said, I don't know. This is T21, this is NT21. What's included, the diagram. Okay, so apparently that pops off. Turn on, off, record, 2-second power on and off. So this whole top here is the button. So 1, 2. Guess it needs charge because it should have a little LED on the back. Try 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay. So I guess it needs charge, obviously here. But how do we get this off? Okay, like so. It pops off. There we go. That would be the button, a micro USB, and it looks like the slot, but I guess it did not come with a card, which is not a big deal, I guess. I can take care of that shortly. Okay, Starlight Night Vision Pen Cam, Portocam NT21. Of course, it's black and white image like most security cameras are, but the idea, of course, is that it can record at nighttime, which a lot of cameras can't, actually. I was surprised about that. I've done a lot of security stuff in my life, and surprised a lot of cameras don't, actually. Okay, well, let's try this real quick. Where's my cable at? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. That's like a little, looks like orange. Yeah, a little orange light. I guess that means it's charging. So obviously I can't do much with it right this second. Sorry. It is charging. It does feel nicely made, and I'm really curious how it's going to work. One button to start and easy. It does say SD card not included in the listing. I didn't see that before. So I guess maybe I have to have an SD card in it to actually record. It could be that, huh? And, night vision, black and white image. Not much else left to say about it, actually. But you can apparently change the resolution and stuff. How to install the micro SD card, how to charge. It's yellow when it's charged, turns off when it's fully charged. Micro SD card. Turn on record manually. The disk icon will appear in your computer. Insert the card, the disk icon, click it. Format, connect the camera to PC. Press and hold down the power button and flash the camera enters disk reading mode. Disk icon will appear on your computer. And apparently there is, there's a little second. Open removable disk, double click set camera file. You can see the related parameters including language, time watermark, date format, date, time, light frequency in hertz, image quality, and overwrite. Oh, overwrite's kind of cool. It does the first in, first out thing, so you don't have to worry about formatting it all the time, which works. Audio on and off as well. So there's an audio recording function. Is invalid. For more details, refer to the Conbrov card in the package. Oh, okay. According to the United States relevant laws, all sellers are forbidden to sell covert cameras with audio on Amazon? Huh. I didn't know that. That's weird. I've purchased little pin cameras for my security system actually with audio. Huh. Okay, well, that's weird then. I know Pennsylvania is where I live is a two-party consent state. Now, the pin is for resetting it. Switch to night vision. Camera automatically switches to night vision. How to write. So we're currently being used 1080p, 720p, and VGA. 65-degree angle, 32 gig card. 3-hour recording time in daytime, 1.5 hours in nighttime. Yeah. I mean, that's about it. I'm going to have to check it out there and see if it works, see how it works, and I will put a link to the full review down in the description. Thanks.